All right, on this adventure, the dad's pontoon boat's not starting. Pull the plugs. They look really bad. The thing is actually frozen up. Spoke with my buddy, the boatman next door there. And I'm gonna try and work this thing back and forth until it frees up. Work it back this way. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna do that until I can get it freed up by hand. Then he said that I should remove the air cover, put transmission fluid in the carbs, and actually pump that transmission fluid through it. But yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. Right now she's locked up. I'm wondering, I don't know if he's got water in his gas and it was pumping water through it. He said the engine has not been in the water, so kind of a mystery. Yep, that's where we're at so far.